Sound System. Rembo rizike ne janzele. Jenzi hawajui hizi. Unajua hivyo?
Siku hizi wanajua.
Unajua? Juu ya wababa.
Siku hizi wako na rada bwana. Unajua wababa wanafundisha hao warembo wa Gen Z. Hao warembo wa Gen Z nao wajua
wanafundisha
wako na maboyfi Gen Z. Sasa wanakuta mrembo anaenjoy rumba paka kijana anasema ai
papaso
cheri. Inaitwa spread of the disease.
Papaso cheri.
Kumbe hata
hii simba.
Rumba kumbe hata simba.
Tena ndio bea furahi sasa lazima hata wewe upende. Ndio bea furahi.
Hizo kwa wagina TikTok by the way.
For convenience.
Hizo kwa wagina TikTok.
Oh man.
Rumba kwanza iko very old. Hata unashangaa inatokea wapi.
Ndio kumenya roho.
I thought ni sisi peke yetu millennials. Lakini dhaijina na ndeke 14 kwa karaja ushuku manto jau.
Jeko.
Oh.
Jawe millennial.
Wewe jaja waronyo na uchome.
Millennial.
Odhikiria mbere tambire kwa ria manzara za gweta na mbere tukire Kenya igeta na mbere na Mwerekera jo karia tere ankwere mantege banki ya NCBA nonto NCBA bank bekwira ni banki ya mtu wonde etoko makane biashara kana utunga taburo kweza na muthikiria bekwira tere bari yungire nonto bwa mbere be na ireta wa forex solution umami antu ba kuthondeka mbesha na no shure forex ni trade kana ni ku exchange currency kana wendie bwa mbesha na mbesha ingi muthikiria NCBA bank bekwira tere be na mobile banking app ira umba kuthiro ki download kiri Google Play Store ukethiro ki me download app yu ni kuthiro gi kuuthiria motungata jaku monoja mantuje forex na mantujangi kinyaja kuria mbecha na ambi na nyabethero be na credit card ira utigira kinya gwatwika ugwe customer wao no gwitithia na mbere muturerejo waku kama kawaida na credit card yeku na kinya no umbe kuthiro ketha kwenda gwita gonto geta kethira ni shopping ukwenda kuthirio geta na very safe na secure muthikiria hithiro kibariungira kibena ndwangi 95 ndene ya Kenya kana uthiro kiaranini nabo gokurukira 0711056444 0711056444 kana utume email kiri contact@ncbagroup.com kana ubariungire kiri ncbagroup.com.
Ijuriku kete ndege 16 muthikiria. Very good morning rokirwa na arua tuli na our very good lost friend.
Forgotten.
Wala KATHURIMA RINGERA karibu sana bukuru na ututete sana.
Baba antere bwana.
Oh really?
Ambere anto mani. Uga batembo na street ile.
Inge inspiration ya kuteka chagua. Kwa truthful.
I'm very truthful now. I'm forgotten. I'm around. Uga batembo na
sana. Is that so?
Mtu mzuri. Kabisa imbona you are doing a good job.
Asante.
No. Educate people.
Tukuona kidogo mazoezi ya kwa kutoka kisoja rengi.
Unajua jamaa alikuwa soja. Sasa amerudi usojare.
Ndio kwa sababu kwa hapa leo asubuhi naende. Nonto KDF by barabarene. Ndenda wira muthikiria na mutegerio wero rukirwa na arua procedure iko we know article 241 B na D I think ni chikwariria mantu but then mukenya aruria most of us tutona jeshi barabarene tubona either maybe nangana nyuki na huko wazungu
huko barracks
na barracks lakini iti tuona magare yayo amad barabarene taunini Nairobi on Sunday ndabone ndoria okay
kumbe ni serious
kumbe
mendo la boy millennial
watu mabungage
2007 jeshi naitirwe ndira kwari na ndwaire ya
207
jeshi litolewa na jeshi ibo batulizire na Nakuru actually na inya Nairobi most part of it na Eldoret na nde engagement ya jeshi ndira wona jana nde yeto etitawa muno kuija kuitanguye polisi ali iko nenkera polisi backup no to bakwedwa one by na equipments better than police. They don't do injeshi we no to longa mera ko rwando achi on the chao. So they are better equipped in terms of equipment, in terms of training, in terms of education, in terms of etiquette.
So what is this backup?
Nande backup area ne kwedwa a big brother is behind you. No to jeshi cannot arrest. Kana yani as in patombo ko wata ba ku kotini. They cannot. But they can arrest you panekere polisi. Yes, that's what they can do. But because of their mighty and their ananya PR by na njira cha ku dialogue na babui iketo me kona jantu kwe bakumira.
I thought batise kwa radio nanto.
No, utona ibalinga inya gota. Yes, lakini wakataka kuona no mona Simba weto kuona Simba tuwekali o kameringi ya kirerukira kyayo na yete okolia ene nuje yeje kamo kuruma. What in pieces. So it is just like that.
So training ya jeshi, is there quick training, you know, ya dialogue nanto?
Yes.
Because I thought any go ya Boris, I thought jeshi go only about 3 member ko 3 na story ishe.
Abana. Jeshi when it comes to fighting kurwana ndoa outside the country. Ina ndeja urana ndeba kudia Somalia. Somalia na ndio tenda negotiation na mtu ina bunduki. Ali
Kuthiria.
Either ai al-Shabab. Bona kiwe na bunduki utekwaraniria. Ili sasa tuwe mama. Yes. Lakini beta kiraia eba kinyara bona jazo te bunduki aje kiraia cha kawaida. Au nona ndebe jana mantuja mandawa, mantuja irio, mantuja kwaraniria, mantuja kuberewa na ndeba na baka tonyana na baka bakere bakenda bakwata information sibi ena kenda babatethia eno tunjesi nyakethera itwira wa muno tutugane ne kura naki no it is eburi kutiga babu we better off eno tubodi ne rabo kaliacho so njeshi na ndeke tumekuona yeye like that itikira gutonyana na babu nto you are Kenyans na ndia jojo ititikiri twe ko brother ko bora it is not supposed to lakini eburi gutonya ndere na voice ile yo kenda yo na ugo you are a criminal kana ugo you are becoming now a nuisance na nde ugo ba ko wata bakanekera polisi ya
Is it really that serious?
Kenya it has been ara seriousness in kuona jake iraleo is because police baidire makosa no tofo no Mwerekera le thukire yambiririe na a class Gen Z era yambiririe ni a class ni antu bathomete antu baingugine chiao middle class we ti middle class but antu baingugine middle class we passe ana ba itonga tira simple politicians but itonga generally antu baina my iPhone ura ikimani chungwa uga bakura KFC and it is true KFC they enjoyed a big business after the Mwerekera so ni antu class keu lakini nande kwena antu tumtoto tonge twakibera to madare to mtoto tena nyake they have nothing to lose na ndebe jaba tonyerale utemenya kuga no utemenya ono liko inyaba bukiendelea kuanga kwena kamto kange aka ina motive nge different haya kwena in such a demonstration kwena criminal activities itomba kura no ntuba kwedura anto bari baba inge mono batombo karania so na in the process au niona nde polisi ita interpretere boga no the polisi ya kalire kiuga in demonstration na nde criminals si bakutonyera na bambiria ndo iria na bambiria bamukuia no ukambere mwana omitonga otonya nduke nire
Mtu na iPhone already.
mtu na iPhone na ndimbe akojokeria
so you know from where I sit na batwi anto baraba kuboba kwari out of ignorance kwithirwa ati jeshi yatomwa kiri a youth bar bwana KATHURIMA mtu atena silera nene omba kwithirwa enio ichobero we water bottle ekura engiri choba hero you know the water bottle ila class yorokuwa na another thing omba kwithirwa enio nanga thimo you know mtu awete thimo na njare ya kuryo
ura
uriani na choba ni ero njare ne yengi you know so bani antonte wete kidura really they qualified quote in quote with the jeshi
with the boy out of ignorance yes yangu itekere ignorance you nda arangu iterete ngokona ya anto barabe bambire demonstration te anto ni anto bora ndio kugira they are not, they cannot harm anyone lakini nande kwina babange i baraba kawaida baraba breakire manduka bana nde para the criminals para ruto kwita criminals they were there ndo bona nde ba take advantage paka tonyera au nande the fear was to these people ni anto baba ingi ba kuja ba kinya parliament ba tonya you see what tonyere parliament it shows that te bunduki nande yani kirage tigeri akiba bebo ne bunduki na nde goredire aya suppose ukalikana okay ntije keda no dingata Twitter mono kuyo wakinyere one mtu mwa ulia Al-Shabaab where are you nikibote kuja thai thai na everything is
open by the Al-Shabaab na tabakiri
simukuje sahi
mbona mmenyamaza imagine
turete mabunduki na ndire no mwaka jeshi ringiretwa no ntubwa capacity ira yao no kienda na ndipo ikitumi wona bambu vaga tek ndene yantu because balingiona mtu mwa akina bunduki then sasa ingekuwa mambo ingechange sasa ingekuwa sasa hii sio demonstration tena hii ni vita sasa na mayaba they cannot allow mtu jeshi ureka itereka li ikagiria ku manage the demonstration ore komba kinyara na ndi kuremwa then it will advise even the president if the president is the problem bakamura we president dijatire yes atugwike Tanzania yes
no ikinyao
yes bakona nande this one is unless we finish everybody atutomba ndo bunduki chumire like what happened in Sudan see that's what happened Al-Bashir ronande we ebunga tuka imunene onjeshi omwire na munene onjeshi ya take over ba karakara munini omunene onjeshi dukana nwe bambire nande korwa you see that it can get there very easily ukateka country cha West Africa kina Burkina Faso nini that's what happened yambirire na kinyambona njeshi yona nande antwande goro to thiriantu you people you are fewer
because of one person
ndo babu believe viongozi you are fewer ndo batu nande ukataka viongozi vyo the Kenya governors ministers na bao bonde patikinya ngirie 10 so babu si nyinyi ondokeni 48 million kana 54 million etigwe tumenye nande au to chant way forward now no one nande jeshi je take over for a period ndo jeshi na capacity era ekujukia thirikari neka maintain ndo training anybody above the rank of a major can be a president a lieutenant colonel is a political seat rank yes you can be a president kabisa you can be anybody you are trained that's why ukiuma captain ukinya major and then you are with colleges ila charongo kina Stardust is the best college in the world uka America uka exposed jana ndida the advantage is that by the time ukinya captain ugweta rwana Al-Shabaab ugweta West Africa ugwikwa Slovakia ugwikwa Afghanistan with an exposure area weja ukadra you are so highly trained highly exposed so you can manage nyoka the president dai you can so that is capacity no bedro baino so jeshi ereterwe no ntuba kwetro nande you never know who else is going to come in demonstrators bakweja criminals ba otonyera anto betita parliament bangi ba kunanduka na bo they were not demonstrators bo no mangaizi they were people different motive kedra ba betere kuvunja parliament para demonstrators
you know it's a bit ironical KATHURIMA atire Boris ba Kenya ba itumo Haiti corona anto bena sophisticated madaga sophisticated yano and then Kenya jeshi no ya tumo corona anto batena sila you know it's a bit ironical sounds like
only jeshi Kenya that one me being a former KDF me I agree it was supposed to be done that way yes there's no that one kwanza alichelewa
really
yes
interesting
yeah alichelewa in NSIS didn't bata monekera information in time nonto it is very easy for even Somalia kana any other country kutonyera such a demonstration na kadhiria ndegurwe it is very easy so the aspect of only 1998 tira Museveni adretenere Kenya I was very young we don't die ndo tonyanjeshi and we were deployed ndika to deploy to manage JKA and nobody knew because that time TV italeo but it's nambi they were not there but nobody knew like me I was deployed nemora JKA ndali JKA and my work was not to talk with anyone ikwa kishaki ndona anything that's suspicious iko jukia na gweka karumu ne kange tukathirania na mantuja so tona ugoja ka
ukariyo togote kikua
kuweka kando baraka uwezi jua jeshi by the way tete polisi the training and jeshi na police is totally different no the police is enforcing the law enforcing the law you know it is papa iko kuwata kuja kotini kana bakure things like that jeshi is not like that jeshi is if you come with a bunduki na ninga kuchokelera bunduki if you don't have a gun then I don't have to I will disarm you.
You can negotiate.
We can negotiate. Aya, ore a Kenya ni nyawe bunduki, I will try the best to disarm you, not to kill you. Polisi ni wako ona Kenya na wena nchokoma, ale wako lingerisasi tu. Kenya
wena kakamudhimbo.
Kenya wena chube roji, no ekura. Na the irony, ewo uga Haiti. Ketome polisi bekiru Haiti. It is because ira leko turn into a police state, not a military. Military yente ye military out ye na leri. No, it is more of police than the military. So it is more of sheria cha police. Kana imo polisi okwende kana. Kenda rande dora getu mera sheria ira cha govern wananchi in terms of discipline the organization nambi. That's why they were taken there. Na ukadoga ni polisi ye to ikitu ye kawaida. These are special. Ba ireke commandos sikuba ikiru now yes timu to kawaida somebody who can handle all the sophisticated guns that are available no kateka bambire kwa magadi ba iko na ba iko US patri no Israel the 400 mbere ba iko now so they are sophisticated but now by in a mindset here police they are going to deal with another police and then what they are supposed to go and do there is law and order okateka naranje shikitwe in the world jeshi Kenya the Somalia na is where now there's nothing indoor. It is indoor. So you go there, fight, polarize nera tugana nde ija irobi kirongora wekera roji. Yes, you polarize. Na ndio jawo leta maitire kuna ora the few criminals na ndio anto ba tureria na ndio kambira ko ba choke into life jora ba dire Somalia tona ba tonyere ara Kismayu teo ba ambiri from the sea. Yeah. Bakto Kismayu ba leta pisi anto ba leta nde ba nenkiro irio ana ba choko skuru na ndio benderea bake. Oh,
okay. Let's do some politics. Na of course na security ende no Kathurima because you are an expert in both. Rigathi Gachagua deputy president awire ati NIS etaya ni temataro ya kwana na umaite I mean barua ati Gachagua barua ati etaya president o baba mantu boraba yakari ground ine na ku mention yonto yabo. Do you think kirimantu yayo on the NIS ne kula umwa anywhere?
Me, I don't think. Non to work with Rotary. NIS, information chain intelligence. In a kind of the president directly.
So,
NIS is a mandatory brief the deputy president. The deputy president is a principal assistant. As in Ogoye Munini or president.
But na karanti kire security council.
Yes, security council, that one is a meeting. Quite a difference. Ya meeting ija rande wero. Marete kuja kwa mantuara yana another media station which lazima abwere bwinde. Lakini kwena meeting ira ayeka ya wero bwinde bukadra bole bokaranira how to move forward. This is the situation. How do we handle it? Babu. So president TNS eke mweja information kinya njeshi kwena intelligence yao niko more information kinya wananchi iba ko more information. So president yadora kijuka information yeje. So iketu mikuona Gen Z the blame rate keke president. No ndo bate ko blame NIS ikashako no ko blame NIS. Baba ngi demonstrators they are not blaming NIS. No, they believe president and all the information and Nudiraji said that information is on the obligation right now where ne ko brief the president. So what the president will do that information I attack the security council
it's up to him.
You know kile mantune ya ko brief unajua Kenya itokirikani tena onto bumwe karemi corruption na Kenya ini burato the way we are manufactured that anybody can be corrupted
and it is one of the reasons maandamano ya kuendelea the budgeted corruption
including NIS no corrupted bwana Kathurima. So maybe at some point kwa mtu wote akinyithiria ntumabore bati kwethwe kari
I don't know whether kinyithiria wale kari lakini the action after that president
assume
yes president
the way he acted
kana call somebody else you see no mtu wero no kana staff kwa jojo ne jaga kwina thina fulani na fulani
assume
na ndio ogeta call another staff i makweli no mwanto no kodogani akwirali no kwirite na ndio kedra you are started to be mixed na ndio president ombakethirwa na uria president we twakari I convinced that what he is doing, the plan that he has is right and it is working. Na ina MP siajo ba mwere it is true. Yo takainya thai kwena mtu ya Silvina Sosoro augete we kinyeke jakairi alinga yes. Kina Kimani chungwa ne terana ground tije na ta akodoganya and the likes. So ombakethirwa na yasi ani mwere information ni kubaya. Jana haki ba Kimani chungwa na Osoro na bana bange ba mwera ali kwa sisi tuko on the ground pia na bange hata na on the ground na bandi dinyoro bakaja ba mwera hakuna. So the president na ndaka changanyikiwa. So kinya demonstration hii kiambiria oteka ba David D ba these are people who don't have even but then anything
there's a problem. Then there is a problem. There is a problem na moneno yowe ngwa nontoki akwithwa organization ire bati kwithwa yemwa ire mandated kwithwa yemwa ya matara na uma because these are the real people now baraba bakuriandira nanto because to in academy ano edro nena yes you know you never know no edro nena yes neta kwaya na mantu so MP yake akoya oni kamukatha lakini karimi nonto tumenyanirite na ntio mumenya kamwira uma
ukambira uma
nonto failure ni kiri munene wengwa
yes ikiri munene wengwa nonto le kiri military at some point I was in that nguge intelligence at some point nguge intelligence in Kenya it is among the best in the world. I think Kenya yomba kwa compared na America to some extent. Africa I don't think Kenya kwa intelligence better than the Kenyan. Kwa DCI na NIS na military intelligence ndio baba ina yao. When you combine the three they cannot go wrong. And then by na representation everywhere. Wetaki makangara stage kwena mtu ena yes yara
bukadogana yes ndrona nya Kenya bakiuga ko ora postre ko Twitter actually auga amechukua Uber 2-3 na wanaongea unasikia wenyewe huyu jamaa si driver wa Uber he needs information.
Yes, they are everywhere.
They are everywhere.
Yes. There is a time I was a chef in Takon Hotel. Yes.
Chini ya mai.
And I was not a chef. Wewe kone kodambie kombe. Nijekira uchwa. Meo toma for a second. No dhiria, nobody knows how you came and nobody should know how you left. So, no kutumikokwera kwethura NIS tena information is a lie. Uteke batije. Kidage kuendelea Kenya. They are everywhere.
So how did we get here Kathurima?
As executive yero that information igurwa na ino thineri iketume kwa na Gen Z eruga we cannot negotiate tukarende twari MB anto bai beberembere riu na ndeto mpona what you are doing yes no nto bakwethera twaraniria na bo it will be the same no menye thai tukathugani ruto wambirite that system kinya mbere Kenyatta na the same problem kinyoga taka I think kibaki differently kidogo na moi mudia ni aja au ni amenyere kumiaribi kenda ona tu ikitu sasa itachomeka yes wacha ikae
you know Martin Igoro Makueni governor nara withdraw finance bill maito Kilonzo Junior tojo Ruto finance bill ni rebere are we really trending on non tunande nya county governments ndijethara bakoromba ku introduce another finance bill barego pingo are we trending dangerously?
Yeah, we are trending dangerously. No bakwethirwa atiri.
Makueni na raba were to pressure inywaita.
You see, the biggest problem irereo, it is the mbechire gutumirwa na ngugire ikuonekana. Itekuitania. No gatega mbechire ikothuranwa na ngugire tukwirwa yani igaitwa lakini otegana metho you don't see. You see, kethera Martin ndikuurira
na
fish every day. Na ndikuona kiu. Sasa hota mai.
Unakula ilienda wapi? Nimeanto be compare this government Martin na igitera kibaki for example. No thuranirie ugoti sana. But at least there is something we can be proud of.
Ndikuona we ambirie na 200 billion. Atambirie na kuromba. Ambirie na kwenanzie kuthurania. Agita ngugi. Na nde ora kwendelea akaromba lakini amenyerete antu iba kuona what is happening na nde yeje no ukataka from Uhuru na gererie the first 5 years he went on very well lakini na nde kuyo wakinyere mandu waira za kutonyera the last 5 years mantu jangaratana and it went the way it went so Gen Z ira kalirendi na I need that's a point I entered oni ndingata imba KX space discussion ni chao no kata ki discussion area we have qualified people in every field kedara ikilo bale yo lawyers is serious kedara ikire accounts finance they are there
it's all
so
around.
when you look at their reasoning ni kwethirwa itukuthurania itukuromba janande this finance bill budget ni tuthurania 2.3 turombe 1 point something lakini nande kila to kuongera kila budget finance bill rongaira 340 something billion on top of what is already there so turenda ku uplift kuthurania already ila to kuthurania zote ukinyira tagitira twino lakini nande otega the kind of the budget and the kind of what finance bill is doing no mona ku create a problem and then you want to look for a solution using the finance bill.
Who created the problem.
Yes, you create a problem and then you want to create a solution with a finance bill. Na no county chon directly au. County kauga nkodorania. This amount of money. Eja mere ko nkodorania 1 billion. Batodorania yo.
Eko.
Arafu uko kodorania 1 billion no ka budget that 1 billion. Uko gora ko ametumira. No todorania yo.
No todorania
utakinyo
exactly na niyo kwenda kuria atire menya critics baba ingi ba finance bill ya 2024 ba wati finance bill ya 2023 kinya tutamiliki to 50% mombere bruto todorani kinyo oti burato erigirite kutokodorania why don't you work with the 2023 finance bill to me exhaust and then now we can move because kinya investors bongo barua you guys what's wrong with you bana tutena assurance ya tax regime yenu because the next year no change and then the following year and then the other year no change so to ka invest ata tutekomenya yani tutena guaranteed ya profit
actually finance bill kira kia alakire kana kira gitekirwo ni evaluation ya the last one they didn't but I consider 2023 already didiri enda ategani no to otegomba kweza wedrwe irengi ita achieve what you wanted and then ande weje one mtojo wakirire everything ngali na mbi ochoke na one inanga ita billion zinge 50 ukobona ndi mtonde we ngali na ndeta to muitie ninge already no muitie ninge lakini ande no ndo ogote guteka wona ira woduranirie from the same person nande kira kya leo is they didn't consider performance ya 2023 finance bill kena nande pa 2024 kira bategere yake ni where we want to go basi tunaenda kudidi hata itokwenda kwa kanyi itokwenda kudon itokwenda kudidi yao kile manifesto yetu so how can we get this money yo tokali yo tokali yo without evaluating performance ira yenyuma naja nande kwethirwa nao mwananchi arakinyetie aitega kona nande nonga nande nkwe nande yes that's what Gen Z etonyerere ona nande ni achiari beto one our parents are finished we are the people now onto jaoni I have 2 millennials and 1 Gen Z in my house so you can imagine the kind of debate that is there na bonde they are university graduates yes
they know their rights
they know ndina one engineers ndina one finance expert na ndina unge music so you can imagine what kind of debate irango ikirwa ndi apparent yes you can't mangapa kinyamba mbera dad you can't afford
so now Kathurima you know at some point all element the president knew what he was doing Karimi you know akwenda kuolele na idhoringi mde theory atire nonto president akyakwithro ena intelligence yonde NIS ya military and the other one ya DCI president na kumenya manto yayo on the yokarika but still na kulazimithia tweta na manto ya na kalazimithia bunge abera nyinyi you have to vote this thing in so maybe at some point kenda kwithro are hero wora achethiri are hero ya kwithro atire bokelokia lakini sasa mimi nimesema wacha tusisaini
or maybe tulianza huko kwa housing na ara implement research things tiamba kurewa
adro MPs under the bus na kimenya abura kwethia
lakini aje weta ale kuthura the MP under the bus aje weta actually he didn't know that demonstration ikeja
really
me I can say that
then NIS
kana ije walipuuza eronto Gen Z haikuanza mbali by the way manto ya demonstration jatambiririe kuraja hapa yani jatambiririe kuraja and then you see oran kubwira president our information yeu kwina njira ndacha kugeria ku find out how true it is so he didn't know that the gakinyare institution is so bad mwanka withdraw the bill adogana demonstration no edidike lakini either tu just yaka polarized kidogo and then tuendelee lakini na this one ukinyara nto botonya parliament it was not a joke and na nto ba kura wana
and then badrete ni nyota state house
that's the kedra na sainere for sure anto balingeta state house I'm not lying to you.
Iteko makaniba na ba
anto balinge kuwa lakini balingeta no to ndera au ringi na au no ndera actors ba bangi balinge tonyera bana ndeba bunduki and like wangeingilia hapo sasa na ingekuwa ku overthrow tu sasa officially so the thing is information ira president ali neo na advice ira kwa wane antobara inabo itetania ndo ndio ayawa na information lakini ba bangi ba mwakikishira it is going to be well na baka ambira ndio which other way do we have twareka wakanjira ri 27 tukengo
so Kathurimari ndendo churi ya situation ya mubunge tha ye kariate mubunge ora waringire yes because these people ibaete nende ni ando ba aringi kura bongwa I would want ochekire kire irato bianto bombira atiri what are they thinking right now what is their plan
what is in their minds
their mind should be now to prepare for retirement Joros Kasudi aragure
au quit active politics
yes no ntoba kwethwa nande ara what you think you kero rathogania wina control eyo okona buru otenyo yes what do you do nturande wakati Martin kichungi getu I think kiranda atendekia mudia before 2022 election I think it was na Kadhuri Muronge or something and we said ketaro likana that this 18 to 25 years at that time there were around 15 million na bonde by naibande to get if they can vote they can put even a DJ they can
I remember
they can put even a student leader as a president
yes
but then unfortunately 80% of them bataringire kura in form of kuba register bataringa na kuba register at all around 80 million didn't register na ke bara register the 7 million that didn't vote out of the 15 million registered voters at 15 but 21 registered voters were around 21
million
so out of 21 the 6 or 7 million that didn't vote Gen Z now they say it clearly walisema kabisa mimi niregister lakini
ntupatone to miyo
niliona tu hata nisipovote ni yule fulani tu ataingia dhaiba kutaka bona I mean we can go and vote our own wameona hiyo
kumbe tunaweza so now that's why ukoona actually MP dhaidi ni rainio ni IBC nonto MPs baraba vote race peje dhai IBC ekwa commissioners back on the office ba kwana nonto ba kwana in this way those guys they are very ready go through signatures na bathingate procedure wanasheria wako hapo ndani they are ready mobilizations bale yao ndene they are ready actually abeterete aki nande na nenye MPs baleka ku did this thing oni kuona some lawyers bageta to the high court I mean to the court either mwaka supreme court can make a decision katiba hiyo already that way ile tora there is no institution yomba kumamira rights cha Kenyans kedro parliament itakwenda kuwekera commissioners on the office people can go to court na supreme court can make a decision on how IBC will do it no ndo bako edrwa neki IBC etena commissioners ni anto bateo no the anto baraba aburi kutara commissioners iba atalirwe they in the office right now iba korea mbecha na ndiko report ya jabera hold on so it is the elite back the parliament ile tumita IBC etero eteo mwaka dai so solution emanto jaja on the imbi
so you see
to bring the calmness now
to bring the calmness they have to do what is right laina ndiko tena choice
which is
IBC ekero in the office
Mebo mbere Kathurima itu nete kinya watho bwa kikatiba bomwe kwithirwa ati tutena tutabu the elimination ya mianga I think at
exact 12 years imeisha
zimeisha
yes
So tukuna
So there's a
89
lot.
is it
There are
89?
so many
Yeah.
laws which have been broken by lack of IBC.
Yeah.
Kwena antobatena MPs for 2 years.
In MCs.
MCS no for 2 years just because of a small thing, a small law. Eburu koro
Na diko
kwake.
yo ine etre.
So is this
Ile
intentional?
yone ra domero. That's
Is this intentional?
yes, I can say it is intentional.
Kumakire president kana kumakire JC.
Bonde, they light. The few guys who are ruling.
The executive and legislature.
Yes. Me kwe only what the way I'm looking at it. Kedra badiri last year let's say. Au nandira baraila balingi force. A situation which they would have shared the commissioners. No kataka ibarebo change boka they want 9 angambi. Nando kataka ola to itete no few opposition de kwederero. Raila keja kutarwa AU. Na ingwete keneo now no ba jonge to their mind.
People are missing Raila ndiye. Na atere eta bado.
Au nyo kona jaka michezo eri. No tunani Raila dai is atakwenda uteta monono tunaije Ruto no kamuteja kwa chairman.
So tuetera mwanga 2025 after February.
Maybe. No tunani sheria hiyo ni athomero parliament on Thursday. Last Thursday. Demonstration.
Yes.
What happened? Ilisoma tu. Nothing. They were taken to kiasi. It was not debated. Anto ba ni finance bill leo na parliament ya kukinyero na vat better recess.
Now KATHURIMA ya insensitivity iraye na abunge because ntukwera abunge baba akilukirie finance bill ye bana KATHURIMA ntukwera kwari na maandamano ya ayudhiba bandamanete wao abunge inse for lack of a better word no to bokwithro very insensitive back look at finance bill ye without remembering kana without considering kure anto million ya youth bakwandamana ome now.
You see, one of the biggest tenera nene tunaona politicians beto abunge mubunge antu get literally their finance management mubunge atonya parliament mushara jaweni around 700 so akitoka taxi ke around 500 or 600
plus allowances ya $2 million
and allowances icho nyingi and mubunge akinyana akaewa nemwera loans jara nande akaromba loans iria mushara junte jo geta loans
committee mushara ke loan
jo kadirira no nande akatika wana to allowances so nande aliau na ije very weekend ya constituency no mwakaje na o ngirima kana jairi chakuliwa so nande inanga itambesha hii so I have to rely on the executive executive rambueri ku oversight no mwanga inaonga pomba kuona mbesha in form of either tender kana betege president mwere bwana
amdakanto
tena ntemakanto or something like that so nande mubunge akinyana o akatika kwa subject ya uro mutalire akambira kwa nande puppet or executive the president and the ministers
and the PA president
yes there is a time I was net obviously in PS internal security I wanted to see him ndakwira ndakaride ndatarenda twali waiting room na 10 MPs na waigwa bwana ko upata nisikiza hiyo I need that katenda bwana wako gora bakwaria katenda ka ukwana ndale ko kona manto yako ya kadhuko ndo wataka an MP etite kuona PS the minister PS kenda mwaka tenda ka supply kida ka supply on embesha so nande this ndezi no talirwe ukutara weta wa puppet of this other person so now ukataka what happened on that day is it were batemero anga 2 million angambi definitely they had to please the president because the president abetere abera nande babu no monka kuruke this thing na mbiga okatonya state house otuma oderi so bakweta batomere oderi so bakolega kuma oderi nabo how do they do yes. That's what we hear and so the MPs they had to please the executive by passing the bill kaire iba tegete bona when another thing that they had this finance bill yakuruka CDF yakongera 50 million for each constituency aya actere kurukire 2.5% of CDF ni MP for expenditure cha ko manage kana kuita ko monitor what CDF is doing okatara 2.5% of 180 million it was going to 180 million 2.5% of 180 million
actually at 200
200 million.
200, yeah.
So 2.5% is around 40 million.
Yeah.
So mbunge in another 40 million for a whole year to enjoy in CDF because of that finance bill. So otaka there are so many things ileche gutuma mbunge and a finance bill ileche kuruka without caring whether mbesi can realized from this person. The taxpayer kedera komba korea. Na leo baka blindfolded by their personal interest. No motu na wala mtu edroina kedera na personal interest. I can make you happy to get what I want from you.
Very well. So in short bro kuwa na ati antu baba abunge baba mbunge na dai agaba achiandikire barua chakwana, right?
It depends. Nonto bako edro akashagwa
na Kenya batiolwa by 2027.
Nande Gen Z ni odina. Akenya baba batu no toliru. Generation X na millennial kidogo we can forget. But Gen Z haita sahau. Wamesema hawatasahau. That's why they don't want any dialogue. But we let us, everything is in the internet. We have all your statements. We have all what you have said. So everything they have it. So
very quickly KATHURIMA, comment about the church. Comment about the church na mambo yako endelea dhai na siasa ile chiedhiri ilio kuma 2022 pre 2022.
The problem ile nene yajire kanisa ine chieto they started living beyond their means. Kanisa ikadwa. Yes, that's where the problem started. Ukadwa bishop ora kana pastor ora kana father kana whoever na kwenda kuitia ngari ndongi. You bauma from worship servant bara tuje ke the Levites bara tuje ke Bible. Levites were living from they were just looking for food. Lakini ndo uledira pastor na kwenda kuitia VAT bwana. Na kwenda ukara nyombe yanga kali kanisa iba kwenda waka ile nene buru ile ndongi iba kwenda bekira TV they want to own TV stations they want to do what nande they started living beyond their means nande ukadhirwa ugo ina congregation sanda kero kuona ina month ingirie kana but expenditure kanisa area is more than $1 million. So what do?
Call politicians.
You start becoming a puppet again. Uka ni Christians baba ku ukahambira nande kuita dengi. So in that process I like what debate that was there when antoba kanisa barale ke awando the TV citizen I think they go and they said for sure we have failed. Yes, but to antoba kanisa it was failed antoba kwedrwa we didn't push agenda area ikolia mwananchi yongwa tueta mwanasiasa tuka change everything yani mutrata zo kanisa ndo change ko kana ndinya ite byongo
ndemorungu kaire mu siasa na ndi attention yonde
ndio inya ite mukarire yo ite ukadra ite bila byambere ndibe bikarairo bala bakarairo bakeberwa bonde kenda mwana siasa na security na chore otara kona ja 20 million ikone kana aja so waje tumweke vizuri na ukadra ntukweu watu nyama dhabauni na nyuma kawaida watu banyunya chai na megate na ande ngoko irugi yusi chemonene zire. So the kanisa forgot that kanisa it is not a commercial entity lakini ande kanisa yamenya no to nembesha kumagere these people nande pastor akona by the
way to some extent they are to blame
wamekubali they are to blame and that's why Queen express your moti Andrea kaka ndio on Sunday they were discussing about the church and they asked a question Queen mtu mmoja a very perspective different before mchonkweza na Bible in Africa it was a religion yetu then the white man came neja atuletera Bible na atone murungu wetu okirima kana whatever atekubwa te murungu. So after taking that then bado tole mu Africa le muchonkora na ogata Europe dai kanisa kai kwa into restaurants into bars so why are we still sticking with the Bible na tuko murungu wetu na au kasakase that's the problem is. So kanisa must wake up now.